History is a tapestry woven from countless threads of human experience, and one of the most fascinating moments is the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. This monumental event didn't just symbolize the end of the Cold War, it marked the triumph of hope over oppression. For nearly 3 decades, the wall divided families, friends, and ideologies, a stark reminder of a world split between East and West. As the wall crumbled, thousands poured into the streets, celebrating freedom and unity. It was a powerful testament to the resilience of the human spirit. The graffiti-covered remnants of the wall now serve as a canvas for artists, reminding us that even the darkest divisions can be overcome. The fall of the Berlin Wall wasn't just a political shift, it ignited a wave of democratic movements across Eastern Europe, reshaping the global landscape. This moment in history teaches us that change is possible, and that the desire for freedom can never be contained.